barber appointment for a trim, style, and beard grooming.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a trim and a fresh style. Do you have any available appointments?
Yes, we have a few slots open. When would you like to come in?
How about tomorrow afternoon around 3 p.m.?
That works. I'll book you in for a trim and style at 3 p.m. Is there a specific style or look you're going for?
I'd like to keep it relatively short on the sides and back, but leave some length on the top. Maybe a textured look.
Got it. We can give you a classic taper on the sides and back, and add some texture on the top. It will give you a modern and stylish appearance.
That sounds perfect. Oh, and can you also trim my beard?
Of course, we offer beard grooming services as well. We can clean up the edges and shape it according to your preference.
Great, I'll definitely need that. How long will the whole process take?
Typically, a trim and style with beard grooming takes around 45 minutes to an hour, depending on your hair and beard length.
That works for me. I'll see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. then.
Perfect. Looking forward to seeing you. If you have any more questions or need any further assistance, feel free to ask.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.